What's up, guys? It's Joe again with JTT Auto Repair. I just wanted to show you guys a little thing I did. So we've been chasing some evap leaks. A lot of the evap leaks, it says maybe a fuel cap or something. But I want to show you. We smoke machines. They're usually about 1,200 to 1,400 bucks. I actually went out and I'm probably $30 to $40 into this one that I made. So kind of, this is right here. This is an old pickle jar that I had. But what I did is I took an old stem valve here off of a tire. Right there, I'll explain that a little more to you. That's the stem valve, and then over here I got another one. Got a bunch of RTV. You can use glue, epoxy, whatever you want. I just went ahead and used some RTV to get a tight fit on it. But anyways, I got that. So the things you're going to need is you'll need like a stem valve or another thing. This end over here I took off of an end of a pin. Here's another piece right here. I mean, you can just cut these. Just take a pin, cut it. Got to be a big pin. Put it in there, and that's so you can connect your tube to it. Take a tube here. Here's a piece of a tube right here. You just take this tube and put it right on there, and then put that other end of the tube, put it into your car, and let the smoke begin. But anyway, so there's that. And now I got this. Went and bought this, an air pump. So basically, here's the end of your air pump right here. You just take that and you put it right on here, just like that. You pump air to it right here. You just take it, put it on there, and then what you do is you take air to it. You'll see the smoke over there coming out. So when you hook up your tube over there and you pump air, it's gonna go right into the system and find your evap. But see, right there, as I'm pushing, you can see the air coming up, the smoke coming out of the jar. I thought so. Like I said, I built this one probably for 40 bucks. And what I did here, right here, this is a soldering gun. I have a soldering gun. So I'll open this up and I'll let you see. Look at all that smoke coming out of there. Well, you take the soldering gun, you take a sock, an old sock you don't use no more. Put baby oil on it or something like that. And then just put it in there. Plug in your solder gun. Plug it in there. And you'll watch it make smoke. And as it's coming, you just kind of let it do its thing. Pump the smoke into your evap. And away you'll find your leak. This one I just barely made it, so it's quite not done. I mean, it's all still really wet up there and stuff like that. But see, I think I went down to Harbor Freight. I believe this solder gun was like $7.99. I bought an air pump from there as well. This air pump was like $12.99. And then basically the jar, which, I mean, you can use an old jar. Of whatever, and then your valve stem and a pin. If you don't have a valve stem though, all you can do is you can take another end of a pin like this that I cut, because this pin right here will fit into the bottom of this air thing right here. Let's see if I could show you right here. Trying to hold the camera with that and do this at the same time. But anyways, that piece of that pin will fit right into your right into this air bicycle pump right here. So you just put it right there and it just fits in there just like that. You see that? Just like that, fits in. Got it in, you pump it up, and it will work too if you don't have the valve stem. You can go ahead and use another end of a pin. It will work perfect. The air will come out of there, do the same thing. I just had what's called a valve stem laying around the